Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing better and best in your life. Okay. We are back with another beautiful or mind blowing video, right? Okay. As you have seen on your computers or on devices, that this is the page of Replit. Okay. First, I like to introduce what is Replit. Okay. Replit is it is like an online coding platform which helps you in a very like easy manner that you can easily start up with your programming, coding, and etc. Okay, you can run, write, and even deploy your scripts, codes in any language like Python, C++, Java, etc. Okay, it is very easy to use and very helpful. It also provide us like an AI assistant, which gives us example and even which solve our problems, write code for us. We can edit, enter, and whatever you want to do with your code, you can do it later. Okay, at first, let's start. How can we use it? First of all, you can go to Replit through. You can write Replit on your browser, and you will see the website. Just log in, and everyone know how to log in this time. Follow the steps and log. You will reach to this page. Okay. After you are ending up this page, you have many options here. You can like create app, import code, create app like basic from, you can create anything from basics. Okay, import code or design. If you have any other online coding platform like GitHub or any other thing, or pack, you have any source of package, you can easily import that thing from there to here. Now these are the apps. As I have just started with it and I only built a calculator. Okay, deployment, you can deploy in many platform. Like here are you can connect to database also. Here are the description, and plus it is not free. It is free just for beginners and very few programs. Like look at this, 1 out of 10. Okay, okay, you can buy because it is very helpful to you. Even when you are a like starter, you just learn or you are starting to learn how to code or any programming language. It is very helpful for students also. It can do your coding task, coding assignments, homeworks, and whatever. Okay, this is all info. You can check it out. Now we will go to the page that we want to go. First of all, here is AI chat. Okay, you can build a website just giving the info and it will create it to you directly without any um, error or whatever. Stock analysis, different. Okay, I will just show you a very basic and practical example. I'll click in my calculator, right? Okay, first of all, here is the calculator and how I built it. Look, you know, it is just a simple coding. It just define the functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it will give the selection option. After you choose an option, it will reach to that option and perform the function that is described. Okay, like it is very simple. But how I built it? Okay, first of all, let's try to run it. Sure, let's. Okay, I have run this code. I will write here like I want to multiply. I write 3. I will write first number and it is second number, and here is my multiplication result. Right? Okay, I can also change it to like if I want decimal number floating in, we can change our data type from here. If I write float, then it will give us result in floating point. Now look at this. I will run it again. I will choose 3, write any number, and look, here is in our decimal point. Okay, it is just a simple demo of the code. Now, if we'll go in another in new tab, it will ask what we want in another tab. Okay, like we can we have already a console, and we can ask assistant to do something for us or describe the code that have written or whatever you want to do. And also we have database and dependencies. The main thing I want to show you is the dependencies. Okay, for suppose you want to import any library, but you don't have in Replit, for suppose. Okay, it must have some basic libraries that is built in this coding platform. But in some cases that the library you ask is not in it, then you can definitely like install it from here, just typing the name. For suppose math library, in if I want, then I will install any that I want. And if we talk about data science, for suppose I want pandas library, I can download it from here or install from here. NumPy, there there are the versions and other thing. And if we okay, so this is the basic introduction. You must all you must explore it. Please do a good thing, and it is very very beneficial for the students especially. And I will definitely recommend it. If you are new student or whatever, you can run type your code, or you can even practice here. But this is the drawback, that you cannot use it for the heavy projects, for data science and machine learning and whatever, etc. Right? But you can say, easily build websites, simple task, and you can try it, what you can do and what you can't do. I'll just share the info that I had.